Okay, I'm here in the Silverado. This is my 2021 Silverado 2500 HD Duramax. It's the custom trim, so it's kind of the basic interior, basic screen and functions and things. I did a video on this when I first got it. Take a look. I'll link that in the description. But one cool feature I want to show you on this, even though this is kind of has a basic package on it, it does have some cool features, especially for towing. For example, here we go to the home screen. It really only has, let's see here, yeah, a couple screens here, but if we go to this thing that says trailer lights, so it says press by start cycle through your trailer lights on and off so you can check if they're working. Park your vehicle to use this feature. So I have it in, so I've got it in park. I've got my trailer hooked up, and so I want to demonstrate this because I think this is a cool feature. You can check your lights by yourself. You don't have to have someone, you know, pushing on the brake and the blinker and the hazards and so forth. So if I hit start, I'm going to hit start and I'm going to go out to the back of my trailer and we'll see it cycle through all the lights to verify that they're working. So you see here we've got our running lights here working on our fenders. It goes through a sequence and it keeps going through them. Okay, there's our brakes. Left turn on that side, right turn here, reverse lights, running lights, right turn, backup lights, so it'll just keep cycling through those lights until I go in there and stop it, which I think is really cool. So I was able to see, I'm able to see all of them, that they're working, make sure they're good to go. You know, we can look down the side here, we can see we got our reverse light going on. We've got our running lights on the side. It's like that little amber light here. This little amber light here is not working. I need to look into that and see what's going on with that one. Anyways, that's kind of a cool feature. We'll go back in the truck, turn it off. So that's kind of the sequence there. Running lights, brake lights, left turn, right turn, reverse lights. So we'll push the home button here, exit it, and there we go. So I think that's really cool. I think that's a great idea. You know what a hassle it is to try to test your lights if you're by yourself, especially. So anyways, hopefully that was a helpful video. I think it's a cool feature that Chevy's doing, and this was probably started in 2020 on their trucks, 2020 and newer, at least on their heavy duty line, because this is a 2021 Silverado custom trim. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up button, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.